Welcome to the Lukim Gather website. Here you can access, manage, search, and download environment and livelihood data collected by you or others. You can also create maps and analyze data using interactive dashboards. To get started, open your browser and enter lukimgather.org. From the boarding page, you can find information about Lukim Gather and access links to download the mobile application. Learn more about the background of the app, who the application was designed for, and if you want to stay updated with the latest news and events, you can subscribe here. At the top of the screen, you can access important features and information. From the resources page, you can find a Lukim Gather user manual, a ready-made flyer with a QR code linked to Lukim Gather, as well as a promotional Lukim Gather video from one of the project sites. The frequently asked questions page contains some commonly asked questions on Lukim Gather and their answers. From the tutorial page, you can find video tutorials on how to use Lukim Gather for both the mobile application and the website interface. If you have any other questions or remarks you'd like to direct to the Lukim Gather team, you can get in touch with us via the Contact Us page. Recently launched is the Lukim Gather Discourse community. Here users can find out more about what the Lukim Gather community is up to, or initiate dialogues around questions or topics of interest. To get started, select Login from the top of the page. Then enter the credentials you used to create your Lukim Gather account and select Login. If you signed up using your phone number, enter your phone number and wait to receive a one-time password by SMS. Here you see the main Lukim Gather page. On the left, you can switch between the map view and survey view of the data collected using the simple survey function. The map view shows the data over the base map, while the survey list view provides a summary of the data and has more filter options. Below that, you can see and create submissions to the PNG Management Effectiveness Tracking tool, which helps protected areas monitor the effectiveness of their management strategies. And finally, you can also discover the public projects and organizations that are using Lukim Gather. On the top of the map view is the filter panel, where you can filter data by a number of selection criteria including all entries, or my entries, province, category, protected area, and project. Depending on your use case, you can export data as either a PDF, image, or CSV file. The Notifications button can be found at the top right and lists down important announcements from the Lukim Gather admin. Then in the center of the screen is the map view. Here you can see all the Lukim Gather data that is publicly available. You can zoom into the map to have a closer inspection of the data. The areas in green indicate the outline of a current or proposed protected area. The base map is streamed in from OpenStreetMaps and contains tons of free geographic data such as roads, waterways, and landmarks. Try scrolling into one icon and selecting it to see a brief overview of the data point. In this example, we can see that this plant icon has been collected to show a vanilla plant. You can read the summary of the data here and click View Details to see the full survey including photos. This will open up the Surveys dialog. Here, you can share the full survey details by downloading a PDF, image, or CSV. You can also share a live link to this survey by clicking Copy Public Link and sharing via social media, WhatsApp, or email. Scroll to the bottom to see more and add a comment. Now that you understand the interface, let's try filtering and exporting data. Let's say you want to filter and export your data. Let's go back to the map view. You want only plant entries in the Verirata protected area collected by you, and then to export this data as a CSV file. Zoom into your area of interest and apply your filters. Filter category by plants. Protected area by Verirata. Select the project the data was stored under. And finally select My Entries so only your data is selected. Once you're happy with your filter, select Export and choose the format you want to export in. Lukim Gather automatically downloads the export and you can find it in the Downloads folder of your device. The PNG Met is a globally adapted tool for assessing the effectiveness of Papua New Guinea's protected areas. The Met survey helps communities and NGOs take stock of their current practices on an annual basis. If you want to learn more about the Met, check out pngbiodiversity.org. From the Met tab you can access all publicly available Met assessments, as well as create a new entry. To open a Met assessment and view its contents, select View Entry. You can filter assessments by date, project, and export your data as a CSV file. Now that you understand the interface, let's go over everything. Let's say you want to add, share, and edit a Met entry. If you want to add a new Met entry, select Add New Entry. Carefully read the instructions before attempting to fill the form. Fill the form as accurately as possible. The form supports a wide range of data inputs, such as short text, numbers, yes and no responses, date, select one of many, check boxes, as well as GPS points. The form also supports uploading various media inputs such as photos, videos, audios, and documents as attachments. A single entry can take anywhere from 3 hours to a full day to complete. Lukim Gather allows users to save forms and come back to them later if you can't complete a survey in one session. Once you're satisfied with the form, select Submit to upload the form. In the event that you'd like to share a copy of the form, first navigate to your entry and select View Entry. Select the Share button, and then select the Copy Public link. You can share the link with peers for verification and confirmation. If you'd like to edit an entry, select the Edit button from the View Entry page. Then select the field you'd like to edit and enter the new information. Once complete, scroll to the bottom of the form and select Submit. You can filter by date and project. If you'd like to export Met entries, first apply a filter. Lukim Gather will export all Met entries unless a filter is applied. Once your export has been downloaded, you can find it in the Download folder of your device, or from your browser's Download tab. Exported data is organized into rows and columns in an Excel sheet. Each column represents a field or question, and each row represents a survey response. And that's it for this video tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you'd like a project space for your team, contact the admin and explain the purpose of your project and which members you'd like added to it. If you have any questions or feedback on the app, please do not hesitate to contact the Lukim Gather team.